Virat Kohli, born on November 5, 1988, in Delhi, India, to a middle-class Punjabi Hindu family, emerged from humble beginnings to become one of the greatest batsmen in cricket history, a transformative leader, a fitness icon, a devoted family man, and a philanthropist whose influence extends far beyond the boundary ropes. His father, Prem Kohli, a criminal lawyer, and mother, Saroj Kohli, a homemaker, instilled in him values of hard work and discipline, while his elder siblings, brother Vikas and sister Bhavna, provided a supportive home environment in Uttam Nagar, where young Virat first picked up a cricket bat at the tender age of 3, displaying an innate passion that would define his life. Enrolled at the age of 9 in the West Delhi Cricket Academy under coach Rajkumar Sharma, Kohli honed his skills with relentless dedication. Even as tragedy struck in December 2006 when his father passed away suddenly from a stroke. On that very night, the 18-year-old Kholi, batting for Delhi in a Ranji Trophy match, chose to continue playing, scoring 90 runs before returning home, a moment that showcased his extraordinary resilience and commitment to the game, propelling him forward as he led Delhi's junior teams and earned recognition as the highest run scorer in youth tournaments. His breakthrough came in 2008 when, as a spunky 19-year-old captain, he guided India to victory in the U19 World Cup in Malaysia, scoring crucial runs and displaying leadership that caught the national selector's eye, leading to his senior international debut in August that year during an ODI series in Sri Lanka, where he opened the batting and contributed to India's series win, marking the start of a meteoric rise that would see him evolve from a talented youngster into the king of modern cricket. Kohli's early international career was marked by consistency and aggression. He quickly established himself in the ODI side, scoring his maiden century in 2009 against Sri Lanka and becoming a mainstay in the middle order, his cover drive becoming a signature stroke that blended elegance with power, while his fearless approach in chases earned him the moniker of Chase Master. By 2011, he was part of India's triumphant World Cup squad, contributing vital partnerships in the final against Sri Lanka at Wankhede Stadium, where his steady knock helped secure the title after 28 years, a moment of national euphoria that solidified his place in the team across formats. Transitioning to Test cricket in 2011, Kohli faced initial challenges abroad but soon adapted, scoring his first Test century in Adelaide in 2012, and over the years, his technical prowess shown in overseas conditions, particularly in Australia, England, and South Africa, where he amassed runs with double centuries and gritty innings that redefined Indian batting resilience. His IPL journey began in 2008 with Royal Challengers Bengaluru, RCB, a franchise he remained loyal to throughout his career, captaining them for years, scoring a record-breaking 973 runs in 2016 to win the Orange Cap, and enduring heartbreaking near misses until 2025, when under new leadership he finally lifted the IPL trophy in a maiden triumph, capping his season with over 650 runs and cementing his status as the league's all-time leading run scorer with more than 8,600 runs, 8 centuries, and numerous records for consistency and longevity with one team. As captain from 2014 onward in Tests and later across formats, Kohli transformed Indian cricket with an aggressive mindset, demanding peak fitness from players, sacrificing batting depth for bowling strength, and leading India to unprecedented successes, including a first-ever Test series win in Australia in 2018-19, multiple retainments of the Test mace, and 40 Test victories out of 68, making him India's most successful Test skipper. His leadership extended to white ball cricket, where he guided India to the 2013 Champions Trophy title and, in later years, played pivotal roles in the 2024 T20 World Cup win, scoring a match-winning 76 in the final before retiring from T20Is and the 2025 Champions Trophy triumph, where his century against Pakistan and crucial contributions helped India claim the trophy, marking a fitting peak in his ODI dominance. Statistically unparalleled in limited overs cricket, Kohli holds the record for the most ODI centuries, over 50, surpassing Sachin Tendulkar's mark with his 50th in the 2023 World Cup semi-final and adding more thereafter. Became the fastest to 14,000 ODI runs in 2025, amassed over 14,500 ODI runs at an average near 58, and scored prolifically in chases. While in tests, he retired in May 2025 with 9,230 runs, 29 to 30 centuries. Sources vary slightly on final tally, 7 double hundreds, and an average around 47, placing him among the all-time greats. Across formats, his 80-plus international centuries rank him second only to Tendulkar, and his ability to perform under pressure, from the iconic 82 asterisk against Pakistan in the 2022 T20 World Cup to consistent excellence, earned him accolades like multiple ICC Player of the Year awards, West End Leading Cricketer honors, and the Padma Shri and Khel Ratna in India, often crediting his success to discipline and mental strength. On a personal front, Kohli's life intertwined with Bollywood star Anushka Sharma after they met in 2013 during a commercial shoot. Their chemistry blossomed into a high-profile romance, culminating in a private wedding in Italy on December 11, 2017, followed by the birth of daughter Vamika in January 2021 and son Akaay in February 2024. The couple, affectionately called Varushka, prioritizes privacy for their children, shielding them from media glare to ensure a normal upbringing, while sharing glimpses of family bliss, mutual support during career highs and lows, and a partnership built on respect, with Anushka often attending matches and Virat crediting her for emotional stability, their bond exemplifying balance amid fame. As of December 30th, 2025, with retirement from Tests and T20 is behind him, Kohli continues to dominate ODIs, his legacy as a batsman who combined technical mastery, unmatched consistency, and sheer willpower endures, inspiring millions with his journey from Delhi streets to global icon status, proving that passion, perseverance, and evolution can conquer any challenge in sport and life.